Ditch the digital clutter and transform chaos into calm with Notion, your all-in-one workspace. First, let's create a page. This is your digital canvas. Click the plus icon in the sidebar or simply start typing to create a new page. Give it a title relevant to your purpose, like Project Brainstorm or Grocery List. Notion works in blocks. Think of them as Lego bricks you can stack and arrange tight. To bring up a menu of block options, headings, bullet points, to-do lists, images, videos, and even databases. Let's create a heading by typing Heading 1. Now, for a to-do list, type to-do and start adding your tasks. Check them off as you complete them. Super satisfying. Notion's databases are where things get powerful. These aren't just spreadsheets. They're dynamic systems. Think of a project tracker with columns for task names, deadlines, status, and assignee. You can view this data in tables, boards like Kanban, calendars, and more. Don't want to start from scratch? Notion offers tons of templates for everything from meeting notes to habit trackers. Click Templates in the sidebar, browse the categories, and select one that fits your needs. Click Use this template, and Notion will add it to your workspace. Notion is all about customization. Drag and drop blocks to rearrange them. Link pages together by typing at followed by the page title. This creates a powerful web of interconnected information. Collaborate seamlessly by sharing your pages and workspaces with others. Leave comments, assign tasks, and work together in real time. So dive in, explore, and start building your perfect workspace. Like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments what you're building with Notion. #Notion app, #productivity tools.